multiply the quantity x squared plus 6x plus 9 times the rational expression x minus 3 quantity squared over x squared minus 9. The first thing to remember is that when we have this polynomial, we can think of it as being over 1. And now we're multiplying two rational expressions. That means we multiply the numerators together and we multiply the denominators together. Remember though, before carrying out the multiplication, we factor each the numerator and denominator. X squared plus 6x plus 9 is a perfect square trinomial, and it factors as x plus 3 times x plus 3. X minus 3 quantity squared really is factored in that it's the equivalent of x minus 3 times x minus 3. The 1 doesn't change anything. X squared minus 9 factors as x plus 3 times x minus 3. Now we look to remove factors of 1. Here we see a factor of 1, x plus 3 over x plus 3. And we also see another factor of 1, x minus 3 over x minus 3. Those are the only ones, and therefore we're finished. We write our answer as x plus 3 times x minus 3. The denominator is 1, so we don't need to write that. In this case, we should go one step further and write our solution as x squared minus 9.